Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here from High Road Comics, and you're right on the HRC, so let's go ahead and check out what I got. So why don't you just take a little detour with me, and yeah. I really gotta get a new saying. I don't care. But I do, but I don't. So I got this one on eBay from Kersplat Comics, and I was gonna bring it to Rob Liefeld. I was gonna go see him again one more time, but I'm gonna wait until Amazing Con in Las Vegas. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I really like these Gemini comic supplies, but yes, these are how you do it. This is how you, this is how you pack stuff. You know what I'm saying? You don't use that damn like plastic tape stuff. This is like eBay tape. It's way better. I'm not making any sense. All right, so where do I even begin? I got some. I already spoiled it, didn't I? When I said some Rob Liefeld. So can you guess what it is? Nah, let's not guess. Let me just tell you what it is. Alright, so I got two comics, and here's the first one. Damn, Daniel. I ain't never had this one. I ain't never had it. Alright, so check it out. Wolverine, number 154. I wish I could have just got the whole Wolverine set. That would have been sweet. But I got these for a pretty good deal. I'm going to get him to sign these one day. Dang. No creases, no color breaks, looking sharp. And then, I also got this one, which is my favorite cover that he's done, ever. Like, for real, for real. Wolverine, 155. How cool would it be to get him to sign this? If I were gonna get him signed, because he just signs wherever he wants, right? I probably want him to sign right here. That'd be pretty sweet. On the tip of that blade. Let's see how this one looks. No creases. Pretty damn good. So yeah. I'm not going to spoil anything, but these are super key for stuff that happens in Major X, specifically issue number 3. Thanks for being here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is Errol. Gonna take the next exit.